Back sculpting. Purpose is to eliminate dumplings and toe seams, dissolve fat, and shape the body. Apply massage oil to your hands, rub the client's whole back with stand till 风池 GB20 and 丰腹 DU16, and press the 2 acupoints. Repeat 3 times. Divide the dual meridian into 3 sections and push them with your hands alternately. Repeat 3 times. Divide the blade meridian into 3 sections and push them with your hands alternately. Start with the left meridian and the right one after. Repeat 3 times. Push from 大椎 DU14 to dual meridian and blade meridian with the base of your palms, respectively, and lift from the waist side till your palms slide out from an armpit. Do it in left-right order. Repeat 3 times. Push from the back of the neck to anastomosis connecting neck and shoulder with leaning fingers. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Push from the back of the neck to the waist inch by inch with leaning fingers. Repeat 3 times. Stroke anastomosis connecting the neck and shoulder with the part between the thumb and index finger and press it with the other hand. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Do the same with the other anastomosis connecting the neck and shoulder. Repeat 5 to 8 times. One side, push the whole mid border of the scapular with your hands part between the thumb and index. Do it alternately, and repeat 3 to 5 times. Push from the mid border of the scapular to the shoulder with your hands doing the by turns, and repeat 3 to 5 times. Move from an arm to the palm along the shoulder and slide out. The other side applies the same technique. Remove the essential oil from the back with a clean towel and apply radiofrequency clay evenly to it. Body RF to drench channels and collaterals and do tightening and shaping. Parameter setting, advised rating time 10 minutes. Suggested energy level 3 to 7, recommended mode null. Divide 2 meridian into 3 sections and push them with your hands alternately. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push 2 meridian directly, repeat 3 to 5 times. Divide the bladder meridian into 3 sections and push them with your hands alternately, repeat 3 to 5 times. Push bladder meridian, repeat 3 to 5 times. Move the device circlewise to the sacral region BL31 to BL34 along bladder meridian, repeat 3 to 5 times. Start with the neck, moving back and forth on the area connecting neck and shoulder, repeat 3 to 5 times. Lift back and forth on the mid border of the scapular, repeat 3 to 5 times. Move from the left side of the vest to the left right side and do it back and forth, repeat 3 to 5 times. Body vacuum RF to eliminate dumplings and toe seams and do tightening and shaping. Parameter setting, advised rating time 10 minutes. Suggested energy level 3 to 7, recommended mode null. Advised suction time 0.5 to 1.5 seconds. Suggested release time 0 to 1 seconds. Suction can be adjusted per individual tolerance. Divide the dual meridian into 3 sections and push them with your hands alternately. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push the meridian directly, repeat 3 to 5 times. Divide the bladder meridian into 3 sections and push them with your hands alternately. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push bladder meridian, repeat 3 to 5 times. Move the device circle-wise to the sacral region BS31 to BS34 along bladder meridian. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Start with the neck, moving back and forth on the area connecting neck and shoulder. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Lift back and forth on the mid border of the scapula, repeat 3 to 5 times. Move from the left side of the waist to the right side and do it back and forth, repeat 3 to 5 times. Clean the back with a towel. Laser pad to dissolve fat and promote fat metabolism. Parameter setting, advised operating time 20 minutes. Suggested energy level 3 to 7, recommended mode M1. Take out the strap, which is of short, medium, and long size and selected per individual condition, and fasten it onto the back. Insert the laser pads into the strap and tighten up. Wait for 20 minutes. Turn off the equipment and remove the pads and untie the strap. Treatment ends. The treatment lasts 15 minutes. It is advised to take it 1 to 2 times a week, and 12 times is the course of treatment. Contraindications: women in pregnancy or breastfeeding, with heart disease or heart pacemaker, with unhealed surgical wounds or in recovery, with epilepsy, severe diabetes, hypothyroidism, malignant tumors, etc. Those with skin disease or infectious disease should use it with caution.